It helped me a lot to speak in English. Before that, I am not much confident to speak English in front of them. But you helped me a lot. The teachers helped me a lot to speak English in front of the students. So that it
What was special here? I want to know what was special here.
the special is that it gave us much confidence to speak English anytime, anywhere.
Do you want this sort of workshop many times?
Yes, ma'am. This workshop I like very much. I want to, I want that this workshop coming month for twice.
Okay. How this English is going to help you? You just said that you want to be cricketer. Yeah, what?
This helped me a lot because I have, when I become a cricketer, I have to give an interview to that IPL, etc. So that when an English inventor interviewed me, so I have to speak in English for that. What was my game? What was I playing? So that it helped me a lot to speak in English in my